Hello CraftDee Family and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating a beautiful trio of poinsettia floral arrangements. These pieces incorporate a rustic look using burlap, a faux galvanized metal, and florals and scrap fabrics for 3 different looks. See the description box below for a list of materials used in this project. I am so thrilled to share this holiday project with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current subscribers and a big thanks to all the new subscribers who have just joined my channel. If you're a new visitor today to my channel and love DIY projects as much as I do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new tutorial is ready to share with you. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. For this project, we will be using 3 standard size mason jars. I purchased these from my local thrift store for 50 cents each, but they're available at dollar or retail stores as well. We will be covering each jar with burlap that I purchased from Walmart for about $1 a yard. My piece measures 16 inches by 16 inches. What you want to do is place your jar in the center and remove the center of the lid, then gather all 4 corners upward and evenly distribute and arrange the burlap to evenly cover the jar. Then we want to secure it with a rubber band near the lid. You can cut away any stray strands and then continue to distribute the burlap to your liking. Here, I am taking a 2-inch strip of black and white gingham fabric and I'm going to wrap it around the center, tying in a double knot. You can also use ribbon if you like. Next, I'm going to add a leaf and some berries from a bush that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We want to go ahead and hot glue that leaf and the berries right next to your fabric knot. To hide the rubber band, we're going to take some jute string and we're going to wrap it around several times and hot glue it in place. To make a bow, wrap a few rounds of jute string around your hand, and then we can remove it and shape it. Then we're going to cut a little piece of string and tie it around the middle. And now we'll take our bow and we'll hot glue it in the center. Finally, we're going to add this poinsettia bush to the jar that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Just give it a little fluff, and then we'll add it to the jar to finish the look. For the next look, we're going to start by adding this faux galvanized metal to the center. To see how I created this faux metal, click the link at the top of this video. We're going to secure the faux metal around the center of the jar with hot glue. Next, I'm going to take a strip of gingham fabric and cut it down to about 1 inch wide. We're going to go ahead and hide that rubber band by tying the fabric around it into a tiny bow. I'm then going to add the leaf and the berry cluster to the faux metal. Now I have this little black tag that I cut out from a piece of black poster board, and I'm taking my Exacto knife and making a small hole. We're going to take a piece of jute twine and then I'm going to feed it through the tag. And now I'm just going to tie this tag to the faux metal. Here, I'm just using a chalk marker to mark the tag. And now you just add your poinsettias and you're done with this look. For the third look, I'm going to take that faux metal and I'm going to wrap it around the rubber band and secure it in place. And then we want to take our 2-inch wide fabric strip or ribbon and wrap it around and then hot glue it in place. Next, we want to take your jute twine and we want to wrap it around the center of that fabric several times and then hot glue it in place. And now we just hot glue that leaf and the berry cluster in the center. Next, just add your poinsettias to finish the look. Now we have 3 different but cohesive looks for this rustic theme. I just love how festive these look. Now place these holiday arrangements on a mantle, a side table, or kitchen pass-through and enjoy your creations. I could totally see these on a mantle above a fireplace, right above those Christmas stockings. These are super easy and relatively inexpensive to make, and most supplies can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. This look can even be used for seasons other than Christmas, and you can customize these to match your home decor or special event. Change up the florals to sunflowers, daisies, or even roses. These possibilities are unlimited. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you would customize this arrangement for your home. Thanks again for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, go ahead and click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.